Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So first I'm going to take some hair from the crown section. Now I'm taking my hair from the arch of my brows and I'm going to pull some hair to create a puff. Now I'm going to secure this with a bobby pin and I'm holding the bobby pin and pull some hair from the front section to create a voluminous puff. And now I'm taking some hair from the upper side of my ears and going to make a ponytail. Now I'm going to make a loop like this and going to twist my ponytail and I'm doing it twice so that my hair looks like this. I have only pulled my hair through the loop, nothing else, and I did it twice. And now I'm going to divide two sections from the sides of my hair, and for the rest of my hair I'm going to do a normal 3-strand braid. You don't need to be perfect to make this braid. You can do a messy braid as well. Just make sure you gathered all the hair and while making the braid. Now I'm going to secure this braid with a rubber band, and for the last part I'm going to make a loop like this. The loop helps to look the bun look more clean. And now I'm taking my hair from the sides and again I'm creating a loop through the braid and going to pull my hair through the braid. Again I'm doing the exact same process with the other half. So it's kind of look like this. Now again I'm going to make a ponytail with these two hair strands and I'm going to push this ponytail over the loop which I have created before like this. मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है, बस इस पोनीटेल को अपने उस लूप पे ऐसे घुसा देना है. And again I'm going to push the braid into that loop just like this. ये बहुत आसान है, ये करने में बस 1 या 2 सेकंड्स लगता है और उसके बाद I'm going to fix this braid and everything with some U-pins. So this is it. This is a complete hairstyle. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such videos.